Let's make healthy Instapot burrito bowls. Press the sauté button on your Instapot and let it warm up for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and spray your Instapot with nonstick cooking spray. Add your chicken. Season with chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix all the seasoning with your chicken and then cook the chicken till it's brown on the outside. Go ahead and turn off your sauté and then add 1 can of black drained beans, 1 can of green chilies, and your diced bell peppers. Mix all that together. Next, go ahead and add your rice and chicken stock. And make sure your rice is covered in the chicken stock, so stir it in a little bit if you need to. Place your lid on your Instapot. Turn the valve to sealing and cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. Once it beeps, go ahead and turn your valve to venting and let all the pressure out of your Instapot. Once the pressure is all released, go ahead and remove the lid and then mix it all together. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below and follow for more recipes.